Zippo? What are you doing, bud?
This is where the chapter ends. A new one now begins. Time has come for letting go. The hardest part is when you know all of these years when we were here are ending. But I'll always remember at the time of our lives. And now the pages
Sweetest boy in the world. And I'm so pretty. And I'm loving. And I'm a happy boy. And I love to be scratched.
And I will not forget the faces left behind. It's hard to walk away from the best of days, but if it has to end, I'm glad you have been my friend in the time of our lives. I'm glad you have been my friend in the time of our lives.